Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 305. How to make a list modern. In our last tip, we looked at the features provided by the new modern lists in Power Pages. Now, let's look at how we choose between modern and classic lists. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the Engineered Code YouTube channel for our weekly tips, monthly community calls, and lots of other Power Pages and Power Platform content. A list itself is not classic or modern. Instead, the choice between these two is made by how a list is added to the page. If you're using the Power Pages Design Studio, it's quite easy. There's a toggle switch that allows you to choose if you want to use the new and improved version of the component. But how does that toggle work? To find out, let's look at the liquid code placed on the page when the list is added. Here, we'll see the use of the include tag, which is adding the entity_list template to the page. You'll also notice the isModern attribute being set to true. So, if you want to use modern lists, but you're not using the Power Pages Design Studio, set the isModern attribute. While modern lists have some great features, there are some features of classic lists that are not yet supported for modern lists. We'll look at those in our next tip. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 305 on how to make a list modern useful.